In this video, you'll learn how to build a subscription application using Claude Code and Stripe. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully create a minimal server and integrate payment processing for subscriptions. Begin by creating a new project directory. Open your terminal or command prompt and type mkdir simple subapp to make the directory. After that, navigate into it by entering cd simple subapp. This is the stage for your app development. Next, initialize your node.js project by running npm init-y. This command creates a package.json file with default settings. Now, you will need to install the necessary packages. Type npm install express stripe.10 to install Express for server management, Stripe for payment processing, and .10 for environment variable management. Next, you will create an environment file to securely store your API keys. Use the command ni.ni to create the file. Then open it in Notepad by typing notepad.fm. In this file, you will add your Claude API key and Stripe secret key. Enter CAN_API_K equal sign CANXINSGA_CN_X_live_XINSGN_live_XIN, adding the keys. Save and close the file. This step is crucial as it keeps sensitive information secure. Now, you will create the server file. Use the command niserver.js to create the server file. Open it in Notepad by entering notepadserver.js. In this file, you will paste the provider code to set up your Express server Stripe integration and routes. The code initializes the server, creates a subscription session, and handles success and cancellation URLs. Ensure you save the file after pasting the code. This step creates the core functionality for your subscription service. After setting up your server, you will create a product and a price in Stripe. Open PowerShell to run the commands. First, create the product by typing invoke REST method post-URI HTTPS ap.stripe.com/v1/pro duts-headers octosrate post-key-body. This registers a new product in your Stripe account. Next, create a monthly price for the product with the command invoke REST method post-URI https:/api.stripe.hb/prices-headers authorization exert medbearer $envend stipy_secret_key-body tiner amount = 2000 currency ig with istTN product ig with month product xxxxx with the actual product ID you received earlier. Once you have created the price, copy the price_ID generated by Stripe. You will need to replace price_XCA in your server.js file with this new price_ID. This links your subscription service to the correct payment structure. Finally, to run your application, simply execute node-server.js in your terminal. Then open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000 subscribe. From there, you can test the payment process using a test card, which will redirect you to Claude, generating a premium welcome message. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.